Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Temu's price cut feature, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to save even more money in 2025. If you've seen those discounts and wondered how people are getting them, this guide will explain everything step by step. Let's dive in. In this video, I'll explain what Temu Price Cut is and how it works. Temu Price Cut is a fun promo game inside the Temu app that lets you get big discount or even free items just by inviting friends to help you cut the price. Instead of paying full price, you share a special link. To work it, open the Temu app and select the product you want. Then Temu gives you a unique sharing link. Share that link with your friends or on social media. And that's everything you need to know about Temu Price Cut and how it works in 2025. If this video helped you understand the feature better, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Temu tips, deals, and shopping guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.